Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install WhatsApp app in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open your app library and from here open App Store. Now here search WhatsApp and then click on this download icon and then it will start downloading. So after downloading, just simply click on install and WhatsApp will be installed on your iPhone. So now you can see the WhatsApp is installing, and after that I can use WhatsApp on my iPhone 15. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.